So I'm gonna take this in. I need to find the 2 bolts for the master flow sensor and a clamp. This is a Banks ram air. Pretty badass. I got it for a very good deal, so pretty fast on it. So let's go ahead and get some bolts, get home, and install this thing. See how it sounds. Right, so I got the bolts. It is a 632. Fits pretty good. So let's go. Alright, so here we got my wife's 2015 Escalade 6.2. So many horsepower, I don't know, 400, I don't know what it is. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna take the airbox off. These are 8 and 32s. Those are the ones I'm gonna take is a 6 and 32. So these bolts didn't work. So that's why I got some new ones. This clamp don't come off. So I got everything for that one. Let's take it off. But pretty clean. Healthy engine. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna finish taking the box off. Get perfect fit. Got the bolts in. I'm gonna screw it on. Hopefully it's short enough. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. All right. Let's get this piece on and then get the throttle body part on. That thing sits perfect. Banks air ram, big ass Banks air filter. Let's do it. Can't wait to see how this thing sounds. See if it performs better. Sick. Alright, so the only problem, this intake was from Serato 5.3. The other bodies are smaller on the 5.3. 6.2s are a little bigger. Should be able to stretch this on there and then put the clamp over and should be good. Sensor reaches pretty good, so we're good on that. And other than that, be ready to rip. Let's do it. Perfect. It didn't sink in. I was thinking it was gonna like be more in where it's gonna lose air flow, but no, it's almost just as good as it's supposed to be on this side and on this side. So I'm gonna push it more in, that way it doesn't like suck in. That way we get the most air out of it we can get this thing. Nice. And then of course you just take these hoses off, push in. Well, you get the idea. I'll get it off. Alright, so there it is. I got everything clamped on. The clamp I bought from Home Depot was actually too little, so it didn't fit. So I got the old clamp. I was able to take it off. Got that one. Master flow sensor bolted on. The Banks box, it's down in there. Good. Should remove, and then the filter just slides in. Hoses. I don't like this one, so I will go buy another hose. A little longer, just so it doesn't crease just like that over there. Shouldn't affect the valve side. Actually, that's a clean air side. The has the dirty side, PVC. Other than that, clean the intake manifold. We can clean this real quick. Put it all together, turn it on, and test drive and see how it feels. Alright, there it is, guys. Looking good. Let me get the keys, turn this thing bad boy on, and see if you can hear the intake, the rumble. Turn it on. Ow. Turn on pretty good. No issues. Make sure there's no check engine light. We're good. Oh wow. The response is badass on it. Holy moly, that's something badass. Sheesh. Before with the intake, could have been dirty. I need to open it and check it out. But before, I felt like the truck struggled to move. It just like, I don't know, it felt pretty bad. So I was hoping this intake will actually help. I think it is. Where I have it in the way. Oops. I forget that. Leave a crease on there. But hope it. Yeah, I think I'll do good. All right, let's go. Hit it. Ooh. I feel like I just watched it, so there goes the baddie. Holy crap, it's loud. I don't know if the wife would like that. We'll see. Holy shit. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. That fucker's loud. Roll up the windows. It feels good. It picks up speed better if I like it. Let's go hit the main road. Also, I'll put up sunroof. I'll open that up, maybe you can hear it. Woo. I think it's fun. I put an intake on the 22 Silverado, the GM quarter intake, but it does not sound anywhere near this rumble that this thing gets. Wow, this thing is aggressive. Woo. Oh yeah, this thing's badass. It's gonna get you in trouble. This thing will get you in trouble. Get out of the neighborhood real quick. There's a lot of cops here. There's a cop station down that way. So, let me try to get a speed real quick and then end the video here. Got Escalade right there coming up. Go. This is just light throttle. You hear it. Holy shit, no cops. Yep, this thing is badass. Let's go back home.